Welcome friend, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for tuning in. We are the part 2 of an insider guide to Goa. Now if you have not seen my part 1, I would request you to please first look the part 1, because that is most important thing which will help you to know where you can travel in Goa, what you can do, how to book a cheap holiday. So the links are under the description. You will see it coming up on my screen as well right now. Please subscribe my channel, because I would keep putting you a lot of Goa related information, my Goa music, if you like trance music, my trance mixes. Alright, on this video we will be discussing about an app which is available on Android Play Store. Now this app is only for Android at this point of time. There is no app for iPhone. Now the best thing about this app is designed by local youths, and they have put in their knowledge, their hard work, what they have seen, what they have learned, where they have been. So they have put in everything together under this one app. This app is so easy to use, and if you download this app, you won't require any other app to do a holiday in Goa. Alright, this app is ad-free. That is the best thing. When you go to the Play Store, what you need to see is Goa Tourism App Guide. Now this app, okay, has certain features which are unique than other, and which is why I was dragged to this app, and I'm still using it, and I'm helping a lot of other travelers as well via this app. Now this app, once you download, it connects you to their WhatsApp group. Now this WhatsApp group is a place where there are around about, say today, 253 out of 257 participants. Now these people who have traveled to Goa, who would be traveling to Goa, or who are right now in Goa. All the admins on this particular group are the Goa locals, so they help you to give a lot of information. This will help you to answer all your questions that we have related to your holiday that you want to do, like asking from where you can take a bus, whether you can take a car, how you can do your trip, whether you can get your liquor on the beach. All kind of questions that you want, you can ask on this group. This group is active 24/7, so definitely someone would help you with your question about Goa tour. So that is one of the fantastic thing that you have on this app. So once you go to this app, when you open this app, okay, if you see, the first thing that comes is the weather. Now you need to click on this lines over here on your left hand side above. Please make your account, because I will let you know how this will help you a lot. Alright, now this app is divided into certain categories. That's near to me, attraction, restaurant near me, massage and spa, nightlife around me, nearby wine shop, then activities on this app which you can book. So but you can also break it from explore, activity, events, package, and coupons from below as well. Let's see on the explore how it works. Now say for an example, I am in Kalangut right now, okay, and I just come out of my hotel and I decide to go somewhere that I would like to visit. So I don't know much about Goa, so I just open this app, okay. I will click on near me. Under near me I will click on see all, and I would get all the beach, all the places which are nearby to me. Now this is Kandolim Beach, which is just 2 kilometers from my side, Kalangut Beach, which is 3 kilometers, the main beach. Then all these options, so I decide to go to, say, Baga Beach again, which is one of the most visited beach by the tourists, because you have a lot of restaurant, all those things, and you can see it mentioned some description about Baga Beach. So what you need to do is scroll this down, get a direction, click on that. It will straight take you to your Google map, okay, and you can choose your mode of transport, whether car, bike, or you want to walk on it. All right, and just click on start and head to your journey. It's so simple. Alright. Now, in the same way, okay, you can do a lot of other activity as well. Say for an example, you want to visit religious places. See, it gives you temples, church, according to your kilometers from where you are right now. So that's the best thing to know what's around you. So you save time. You know a lot of things about your nearby. So you can make a plan accordingly. You can decide your next day itinerary accordingly if you're doing your own travel. So you can do a lot of things like that. Say for an example, I would like to travel to this church, which is also known as Salegao Church, which is one of the beautiful church I have seen. Okay, it is must see, guys. I would tell you, just visit to this place. It's awesome church. Click on the direction and choose what we did before. Same thing. Now, one more thing what I have seen on this app is you can book activities with the cheapest price available in Goa, even in the season time. So what happens is a season, and if you go on the beach, the vendors over there, they may ask you any number of amount, okay, or any cost looking at you. They think that if you are rich, if you look rich, they may ask you little 100 or 200 rupees more. They can ask you like that because they do like that. Some vendors do like that. This app will help you to book in advance, okay, with the discounted price. And I have also seen that on that WhatsApp group that we discussed earlier, you can definitely ask for some coupons. So there would be like an admin or someone who has a coupon for say Dudhsagar Waterfall would provide you, and while booking you can actually use that coupon code over here and you can get a discounted price. You can make more discount of this price. So that's awesome. That's awesome. That cost what has been shown over here is fantastic. Very competitive, very cheap than any other. So you have one app gives you a list of places to travel. This one app gives you to book activities that are done in Goa in a cheaper price. So the two most important things that you can do in Goa is sightseeing and the activity, both under one app. Now you also have an option over there called events. Okay, now right now it's just a start of the season, so there are not much event lined up, but if you see, this will fill up with a lot of event coming up, so you know what's there tomorrow, what's the day after tomorrow, and if you want to make any kind of plan, you can decide accordingly. So that's one of the good things. Now one more thing about this app is this app helps you to book your package. All right, now what happened, the best thing about this app, how it works, similar to the Google that we've seen, how you get a cheaper price. Now on this app you give your date, okay, you make a note like if you are a couple traveling, how many people you are traveling, you want to have a hotel, or you want to rent a cab, you want to do activities, you want to have a nightlife, that includes like clubbing or anything that you want to do, or rent a bike or anything, and you make your budget. All right, say my budget is of 15,000 and you submit. So that's a fantastic idea once again behind this app. So I really appreciate the people, the brain behind this app. Well guys, I will tell you, definitely you download this app, because if you see, this app is one of the most rated app on the Google Play Store. If you see, this is like a 4.7 star app with 422 reviews. Okay, but if you see, there are awesome reviews. If you see people rating on this app, okay, this app has a fantastic rating. If you see, it's more than 10,000 people have already downloaded. 10,000, more than 10,000 people. Wow, excellent. So don't waste your time downloading hundreds of apps. I have given you the desktop search. I have given you the link on my description. The app link is also on the description. You can just go ahead, you can click and you can download this app. So hope you like this video, and if you have any questions related to the app, put your comments. If you want to know anything, as I say, please subscribe my channel, and thank you once again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my both the part. If you have any question, any query, please email. Information is given below. You click on the links that I have given. Please follow me on my Google link that I have given, so that if I am updating the destination or the list of my GPS bookmark, you would be also notified with the new updates. Thank you so much once again. And as I said earlier, keep Goa clean, enjoy Goa, love you, see you, peace. Thank you so much.